disking. I come up here yesterday. I just started today. Got what you see done and had to pull out. We put new blades on the front, brand new ones a couple weeks ago, never run it. And I broke two. Well, one on the first round around there, and was going to run a little bit and fix it this morning, and broke another one. So we got two smooth ones, old blades we took off on the outside. So they're hooking to the roller, and we're going to come up here and roll this after that, and maybe get it planted. May start on it this afternoon and plant tomorrow, and then get in the wheat. And we're back to the pickup game. Fertilizer ruts. Picked up a little bit on it, and I'm going to pick up all the way right here. But don't get stuck. Yep, I'm stuck. Well, I was able to pull out of it. See on out, it's dry. Got to get it planted. Some more ruts. I think I put them in here with a NC the other day, cleaning out a drain. Well, I'm dragging up, so I've got a rock or something. Yep, right there. And I have no hammer. I'm gonna put y'all down, see if I can manhandle that out. Well, I'm gonna have to call and get a hammer. I got another area up here. I'm picking up, turning around, and whenever I get over here past it, I'll start going back straight and forth, and then coming back this way and turning around. But that's the way I'm doing the other wet spot. Ain't no sense of just going in there and marring it up and making it worse. Well, we're running the roller with the 706, still in some wet stuff here. Don't know if it ever would dry out. that's what 81 years get you. You know things from way back. I've got past both wet spots. You can kind of see how big that one is. Maybe some of these places the heat's leaving out up there, but I was able to fish through. I might be able to go back this afternoon or in the morning and hit them again, smooth them up a little bit. There's the 706 in action. A lot of people likes that tractor. I'll be honest, that's one of the most uncomfortable riding tractors that I've ever ridden. They have to say about putting an air ride or something on it. Gets cut in half by a drainage ditch. It starts right there, and I'd like to cut a ditch all up there that wet spot, bringing them down, make the ditch bigger. But we about got this part knocked out. I really would have loved to spray this Roundup before I disc it. I'll probably come back with some Liberty. It's getting hot enough to use Liberty. There's a lot of pigweeds. I don't know if where you were at, if pigweeds is a problem, but it's here and it's hard to kill. So probably smoking with some Liberty. There's a few out there. So I was over here working the other side of the ditch, over here in the corner. Can't see over the rise. You hadn't seen any dust or see the rotor going. So I called and lost the pin out of drawbar on that. So that's two pin drawbar pins we've lost this year. And of my 47 years on this earth, that's the first time I know we've ever lost one. Got no buzzard right there. Sign something's dead. There's where you made it to. Yeah, it looks like it's on the ground. quite a bit yet to roll. He's still got time. So I'm going home for the night, unhooking this, hooking back to the planter. I need another big reliable tractor or a smaller planting tractor. So that might be in the works, I don't know. So we'll bring you back when we plant beans. We planting. This is my third pass along the road here, and believe it or not, I washed that window. We may not get a lot of planter shots, and I don't know how much filming I'll do because I've already got quite a bit on disking. So this will finish up full season beans. Before I unhooked from the disc, I started to come back. These are the wet spots I kind of picked up through and hit them this morning. I could have, because looks like I'm going to be able to plant through most of it. It is what it is, I guess. But I just wanted to get these beans planted. Still got a couple of long days ahead of me, and I'm ready to get it over with. That has dried out quite a bit, but I about got stuck again. So we're either dusty or dry, or wet, excuse me. Dusty or wet. This is my last pass, I think. I think I'm planting all the way through it. I picked up on that last pass. But I think I'm through with the wet spots. I know I am on the other end, but I don't know why he didn't roll that. Thought about calling and see if they've unhooked from the roller. And see if I can get them to come over here and roll that real quick. It might have been kind of wet here today when he was rolling. But we just skating along here. So we may throw up the drone here in a minute and get two drone videos. Get to the end of the field, I've got to get my drone. I've got it sitting up there. So while I get off, I can kind of see maybe some shadows. Might be time to fill up the seed. So rather than being all the way down there and run out of seed, I'm not too far from the truck where I'll be further. So maybe I won't make a dead-headed run. So 2024 full season soybean planting is over with. So I'm tired of being in this field, been in it for 2 days. Y'all tired of seeing it for a while. So we're gonna end this video. Gonna start wheat tomorrow afternoon. I still gotta get some things ready. www.farmmerchbin.com